Hi, this is Dan Wilhelm for my second sharing video. This week I'm doing animation again. I really enjoyed this animation stuff here. Right here is the code for making a triangle. And I'm making it pink. Naming it Floyd. Here is the shorthand. I will show you for the animation. When you show you the animation shorthand for the properties, animation name, duration, timing function, delay, iteration, count, direction, fill mode, place date. Those are the ones that you can put in there. You can only put in the first few that you want. I'm not exactly sure if you can skip any or not. Now then we go on to the keyframes. This of course is for Firefox, Chrome, Safari, and this is Internet Explorer. This down here is Internet Explorer. I'm starting with to rotate it here at 0%, and then as I count to 100%, I'm going to rotate to 315 degrees. And as you can see, as I go, I'm adding to the borders. I'm adding the color, changing it from pink to this bluish gray tint, and then finally at the end, it ends up being a square. Let's take a look at that. It's pretty cool. I'll start it from the beginning for you. So it's a really simple technique. Something I picked up off the internet. I really enjoyed it. Thank you very much.